read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamualaikum. Me Sayyida Mayam Natwi from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. What are the expected learning outcomes of number 5? The student is expected to count, identify, and write number 4 in words as well. Display different objects on the table. Call the students, ask them that how many stones are there, how many colors are there, how many crayons are there, how many fingers are there, okay? How many senses do we have? You could ask different questions, okay? After that, we will teach them the formation of number 5. After developing the concept of counting the numbers, it's very important to visualize the number 5 and tell the formation of number 5. Start from the dot, count straight down, make semicircle, make sleeping line. It will make number 5. 5 balloons. And in verse, F, I, V, E, 5. F, I, V, E5, okay? After telling the riddle to the students, you will tell the story that is written over here in good accent, good pronunciation, just to understand the number 5, and you have to count how many balloons are there, and you have to tell them how to count these balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 balloons. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.